In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a featured image fallback in your WordPress theme. Having a consistent and visually appealing website can be essential for engaging your audience, and a featured image plays a significant role in that presentation. But what happens when you forget to set a featured image for a post or a page? This is where a fallback image comes in handy. Today, I'll guide you through an easy, step-by-step process to ensure your WordPress site always has a visually engaging image, even when a featured image is missing. The first step involves installing a plugin on your WordPress site. To do this, log into your WordPress dashboard and locate the Plugins section, which you'll find in the sidebar. Once there, click on the Add New button. This will take you to the plugin marketplace where you can search for plugins. In the search bar, type in keywords like fallen or default featured image. These terms will help you find plugins specifically designed to handle fallback images. Next, you need to install and activate a plugin. As you browse through options, take note of the ratings and reviews to choose a reliable and well-rated plugin. Once you've decided on one, click the Install Now button. After the installation is complete, go ahead and activate the plugin by clicking the Activate button. This will enable the plugin's functionality on your site. Now let's move on to configuring the settings. Most of these plugins will add a new settings page to your WordPress dashboard where you can adjust their specific settings. Navigate to this new settings page within your dashboard. Here, you'll find an option to upload your desired fallback image. This is the image that will be displayed whenever a post or a page is missing its featured image. You can upload any image you like, but it's a good idea to choose one that aligns well with your site's overall theme and design. The settings page will also allow you to specify which post types should utilize the fallback image. Typically, these include posts and pages, but depending on your site, you might have additional custom post types to consider. Make sure you select the appropriate post types to ensure the fallback image is applied correctly throughout your site. Once you've uploaded your fallback image and configured your settings, it's crucial to save the changes. Look for the Save Changes button or a similar option to make sure your settings are stored. With this, the plugin will seamlessly manage the rest, automatically displaying your chosen fallback image whenever a featured image is absent. And there you have it, a straightforward way to set a featured image fallback on your WordPress site, ensuring a consistent visual experience for your visitors. Don't forget to periodically check your site's appearance to make sure everything is working smoothly. Thanks for tuning in, and happy blogging!